Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture transparent in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make picture transparent. Firstly, insert a picture. Go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Now I select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place the picture. Then click outside of the page. Then again go back this tool section, select the move tool and again select the picture. Now we can see this picture is not transparent. Now we want to make this picture transparent. Enable the layer option. Go to the window menu and we can see here the layer. Then we enable it and select this image layer and make the opacity 50%. Then click outside of the picture. Now we can see this picture is a transparent picture. Otherwise you can increase the transparency or decrease. Select this arrow and increase it very easily. Now we can see we make a picture transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.